Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've made a video. Sorry about that. College is now over. The nightmare for me is all over. So I'm trying to come back to making videos again. And today we're doing walk and talk. We're just doing walk and talk tech is what I'm going to call it. And one of the first major things that I wanted to discuss was the fact that Microsoft Azure was actually out. It was actually out. There was an outage, a big outage. I believe it was yesterday, and it threw a lot of businesses off their thing because a lot of business servers and cloud operations run off of Azure. In fact, a good portion of what a lot of businesses do runs off of Azure. And so, if there's an outage, you're going to have big problems because you won't know what to do next. And then another thing going on, as you well know if you're well versed in the Microsoft ecosystem, is Microsoft Build is actually coming up Monday, May 6th, I believe. And during that, there's a number of things rumored to be announced. Nobody knows for sure other than Microsoft people and probably insiders. But one of the big things that is going to be going on is they're going to have a showcase. Got something on my nose. They're going to have a showcase about basically how to build apps from just general without being a developer. So we're going to cross down here, but how to build apps without being a developer. And one of the big things with that is they're talking about a thing called Power Apps. And what Power Apps essentially is basically it's a platform. Obviously it's based off of Azure and Power BI to manage it. And what Power Apps essentially is going to be for is, again, if you don't know how to code, like I don't know how to code, but I have a big idea for an application for my business, you will be able to use that way, especially in the classroom when you're trying to teach students. You'll be able to use that to supposedly develop your application through a program called Power Apps. And hopefully it's as easy as they say, because I remember there was a platform called, what was it called? There was a platform called, like in a while back, way back when I first did YouTube stuff with Microsoft, that basically allowed you to use Excel spreadsheets and develop applications through Excel, which was insane. And I even did a demo on that on my old channel. So I don't know where this is going to go. It might go on the old one, might go on the new one, who knows. But that's one big thing that's going on is Build. So Microsoft Build is next week, May 6th, Monday. And they're going to have a big starting keynote as usual with Satya Nadella and a bunch of other people. I believe these writers, Paul Thurrott and Mary Jo Foley, they will be having a panel discussing, basically debriefing everything that Satya pretty much said. They said it in they're going to be doing it in layman's terms. So basically, if you don't understand all the technical mumbo jumbo that Satya says, then they will be breaking it down to the average audience. And I'll probably be doing the same thing. Obviously, I'm not going there. And then another thing going on, Xbox All Digital. If you didn't know, Xbox All Digital or Xbox One S All Digital is actually a all digital version of the Xbox One S. Basically, it doesn't have a disk drive, and it'll be coming out May 7th. So if you pre-ordered it, it'll be shipping May 7th or probably sooner, so that way you receive it on time. And so that's another thing you can look forward to. I think the price is $200 or $250 or so. But as you already may know, Xbox One S, I've seen it go on sale all the time. It's pretty much always on sale. And so the price that you're going to be paying for the all digital version, essentially, Microsoft said it'll always be about $50 less than the regular Xbox One S. So look for sales. Don't buy it without anything with it, because it usually comes with games. It usually comes with a bunch of things. So keep an eye out for that. May 7th, I believe that is Tuesday, is when Xbox One S All Digital comes out. That is a mouthful. And there's some more things going on. Like I said, I am going to be returning to doing app reviews. I really want to get back into it. It's something that I've held off for so long just because I was in school, and so I didn't have the chance to really have the time to even do it, from working to even doing homework and just going to class. You don't have time to do a lot of things. So I'm going to be coming back to doing app reviews in the near future. So that's something I can look forward to, and that's something you guys can look forward to if you are one of the old viewers from a while ago. And then a few other things going on too. What is that? Oh, okay, never mind. A few other things going on too. Microsoft, if you've known about the Windows 7 age, where basically Microsoft, on the edges of of all your programs and apps and everything, they call them apps pretty much now, but apps are pretty much from the store. From the edges of the apps, you had square corners for the recent design style, and they were pretty much sharp edges on corners. It was called not material design. What is it called? Fluent design is what Microsoft's new design language is called. And basically now there's a rumor, and in fact there's a screenshot that leaked that's saying that Microsoft is bringing back those rounded corners. And those rounded corners kind of date back to like Windows Vista. And actually not even just Windows Vista, but the type of rounded corners and how the style feels like. It's like they're bringing back Aero Glass in a way, but it's actually just Fluent design with rounded corners around your taskbar. So it's got a little bit of just a bevel, not bevel, but it's got a little bit of just a roundedness to it to smooth it out. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's coming, and I'll take a look at it and see how I like it. I don't know yet, but that's just a thing going on. And yeah, so thanks for joining me in this little segment. I'm going to try to do this every week, hopefully, just to sum up everything that's going on the week. Even if there's not much, it might not be as long as this one is. But yeah, this is Walk and Talk Tech, recorded on Friday. I think it's May 2nd right now, and or May 3rd. So I'll take a look, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.